IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you read? Band 5. Answer.
I read sometimes, maybe once or twice a week. It depends on my free time. I like stories and news, so I try to read when I am not busy.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic and short. Ideas connect but remain limited. Lexical resource. Common vocabulary. Lacks precision or variety. Grammar. Simple structures. Few errors but no complexity. Pronunciation. Mostly clear but not distinctive. Typical of a Band 5. Functional but plain. Minimal detail. Band 7.5 Answer.
I read quite regularly, perhaps 4 or 5 times a week. It's a habit I use to unwind, especially before bed. Recently, I've been reading history books because they help me understand how societies developed.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, coherent, and supported with detail. Lexical resource. Good range. E.g., unwind, developed. Topic appropriate. Grammar. Complex sentences with accurate control. Pronunciation. Clear, with natural rhythm and stress. Typical of a Band 7.5. Developed ideas with precision and breadth. Band 9 Answer.
I read every single day, often for over an hour. Reading has become both a source of relaxation and a way to broaden my horizons. Lately, I've been engrossed in biographies, which offer fascinating insights into how influential individuals navigated challenges. It's hard to imagine a day without reading.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, fully developed, natural elaboration. Lexical resource, sophisticated and precise. Broaden my horizons. Engrossed, navigated. Grammar, fully flexible and accurate. Wide range. Pronunciation, natural and idiomatic. No effort required to understand. Typical of a Band 9, native-like ease and depth. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.